present here. We are very happy to see you here on this day. And I just would like to, before we start any other program, I would just like to inform you a little bit, a few details about the day tomorrow, a few reminders actually. Tomorrow, as you all know, is the PTM. And it won't be a regular kind of PTM as usual. There won't be the 10-minute time slots, that's what I mean. Tomorrow you can walk in at any time between 9 and 1, okay? And I'll just take you through the highlights of what will be happening tomorrow. There will be the distribution of the achievement record of the children. There will be the kit distribution and the uniform distribution. And here I would like to remind you once more to please know the sizes of the child's uniform before you come so that it will be simple and easy. And the shoe size will also be checked. For those who want to purchase the shoes, the shoe size will be checked, but the shoe may or may not be given tomorrow. If the shoe size is available, it will be given, but if it's not available, it will be given to you on 31st May. Then the belts. If you wish to purchase the belts for your children, then the belt size can also be checked, but the belts again cannot be delivered tomorrow. It will be given on 31st May. And all these things will be happening on the ground floor itself. Okay? So just once more, I'll just brush you up through all these things briefly. Tomorrow is the PTM and you can walk in any time between 9 and 1. There will be no scheduled time slots as usual. The things happening tomorrow will be the giving of the achievement record of the children, the kit distribution, the uniform distribution, checking the shoe size and the belt size, and the shoes, if available immediately, will be given tomorrow itself, or else it will be given on 31st May. The belts will also be given on 31st May. And all these things will be happening on the ground floor. Now I would like to invite Mrs. Joyita on the stage to come and take over.
Good afternoon, everybody. From Chitrakuta, we believe that change is the ultimate truth. Any stagnation is death. So every year, for us, it is years of colors, commitment, new achievement, new planning. Every year, we are accountable to ourselves itself. After each year's completion, we plan for next year what next to do for our loving, godly, unique, and fun-filled children. This year also, we have planned something new, and we want to share that with you in this auspicious occasion. To give their inner voice a new avenue, we are starting for the first time our school magazine. Our school magazine will be very different from any other magazine like our children. It is an interactive magazine. We have taken all sorts of technological help to make it unique. We wanted to retain our own children's handwriting only, not to type it. We not only wanted to give you the pictures, but through this magazine, you can see the videos also. Today, I'm very happy to share this moment with all of you while inaugurating the first Chitrakuta school magazine, Chitraloka 2013.
Hello everybody, good evening. I am Samyukta from 6th standard and I am the master of ceremony for today's event. Hey, who are you? Hello everybody, my name is Nidhi and I am from 5th standard. I know that, but how come you are on this stage? Me, I am the master of ceremony for today. What? Then you don't believe me? Now look, dear audience, I request you all to stand up for a minute. Thank you so much. Now you all can sit down. See, I am their master, so they all are listening only to me. Is that so? Now you see. Audience, I request you all to say loudly, Good evening, Chitrakuta. See how they obeyed me? They love to take me as their master. So I am the real master. Looks like audience have accepted both of us as their MCs. So let us not fight. Okay, buddy, it's fine. Now I welcome all the parents, friends and their family. I also welcome our principal, HM, teachers, elderly people and small children. We are very privileged to have among us Mr. Puttaraju and Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi, who have been continuously supporting us in all the endeavors of Chitrakuta. With them, we have the eminent theatre personality, Mrs. Shobha Venkatesh. We wholeheartedly welcome you all for our school day, Pratibhangan 2014. Now I request our principal and HM to come on the stage and light the lamp to give an auspicious start. Wishing all the best to we Chitrakutans. So much. Kindly be seated and enjoy our show. Nidhi, I don't know why, but I am very eager to talk about my school Chitrakuta. The moment you said Chitrakuta, the first thing that comes in my mind is its uniqueness. Yes, our school is unique. No fear, only love and respect. Our teachers are so much loving and affectionate to us. They are very much encouraging us towards our studies. Can you believe? It is 9 years since I joined this school. The environment here is so nice and caring that I feel it is my other home. Yes, even I joined 9 years ago. My childhood is totally associated with Chitrakuta. When I joined, it was housed in the first floor of a house. Then 6 years ago, we all moved to the Hampi Nagar branch. I still remember the inauguration of Hampi Nagar branch. You know, I ate Bengali sweet. As I grew up, my needs also grew up. And with me, my school also grew up. And 1 year ago, we all moved to this sophisticated big campus. Yes, where we have place to study, labs to experiment, playground to run and jump, and indeed this big auditorium for me to become the master of ceremony. Since my first day of school, many things have been changed, but there is still one person who has remained unchanged. She has the same smile, same laughter and even the same love and affection. Many a times she can't accept that we all have grown up, but she yet treats us like the small M1 children. With lots of love and admiration, now I would like to call up on stage our beloved HM, Joyita ma'am.
Good evening, everybody. It's a very, very special day for all of us. In our Pratibhangan, we are showcasing our school day for those children who started with us with our first, second school day. That day, we were very scared. Will they be able to dance? Will they fall off from stage? And now today you saw, without their permission, even I cannot come on stage. They have become the master of ceremony. Chitrakuta is growing. Part of you were there on the first day of the school day. Part of you are still there as a parents of 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th standard. Part of you won't be there after 3-4 years because they will be in college. Yes, we are eagerly waiting for those days. But what we can create is a history, is memory. You are the part of each milestone Chitrakuta is receiving. And always be there. With your belief and immense support and love to us, we are what we are today. You have shown not only yourself that you believe in us, but for you, all other parents and children till M1 are still here. Thank you. Thanks a lot for being there for us. On every school day, when you people come, I can see the spark in your eyes of expectation, proud, joy, and love. We also wait for this day with same spark in your heart, in our hearts, to make it electrifying bonding. I wholeheartedly welcome you all to this beautiful Pratibhangan for the first time when our children are performing. And today, I thank all of you for your gracious presence here. Thank you, parents.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Samyukta, when will our teachers look good? In the sense, how do they look when they are teaching? They look good. How do they look when they are laughing? They look great. And when they are dancing? Wow, they look awesome, superb, fantastic, and so graceful. Yes, you are right. Now let's give the privilege to our audience also to see teachers dancing on the stage. Now I welcome all our teachers on stage with a huge round of applause.
ವಿಕಸಿತ ಮಾಡೆನ್ನಾಂತರ್ಯವನು ವಿಕಸಿತ ಮಾಡೆನ್ನಾಂತರ್ಯವನು ಅಂತರ್ಯಾಮಿ ಅಂತರ್ಯಾಮಿ ನಿರ್ಮಲನಾಗಿಡು ಉಜ್ವಲ ಮಾಡು ನಿರ್ಮಲನಾಗಿಡು ಉಜ್ವಲ ಮಾಡು ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿಡು ಹೇ ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿಡು ಹೇ ವಿಕಸಿತ ಮಾಡೆನ್ನಾಂತರ್ಯವನು ಜಾಗೃತನಾಗಿಡು ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡು ಜಾಗೃತನಾಗಿಡು ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡು ಸನ್ಮಂಗಲ ಕೊಡು ನಿರಾಲಸನಾಗಿಡು ಸನ್ಮಂಗಲ ಕೊಡು ನಿರಾಲಸನಾಗಿಡು ಮಹತೋ ಮಹೀಯನೆ ಮಹತೋ ಮಹೀಯನೆ ವಿಕಸಿತ ಮಾಡೆನ್ನಾಂತರ್ಯವನು ಸರ್ವಸಂಘವನು ಸಾರ್ಥಕ ಮಾಡು ಸರ್ವಸಂಘವನು ಸಾರ್ಥಕ ಮಾಡು ಮುಕ್ತಿಯ ಕೊಡು ನೀ ಅನಂತನೇ ಮುಕ್ತಿಯ ಕೊಡು ನೀ ಅನಂತನೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಚರಣದಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸು ಚಿತ್ತವ ನಿನ್ನ ಚರಣದಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸು ಚಿತ್ತವ ಅಂತರ್ಯಾಮಿ ಅಂತರ್ಯಾಮಿ ವಿಕಸಿತ ಮಾಡೆನ್ನಾಂತರ್ಯವನು ಅಂತರ್ಯಾಮಿ ಅಂತರ್ಯಾಮಿ ಹೇ
Don't you think they deserve another huge round of applause? Wow, that was superb. My dear teachers, all that we can say is we love you all. Samyukta, wait. Before we start the show, I will bring my camera so that I can take lot of photos and videos. Wait, Nidhi. We have many professionals to do that job. Oh, really? Yes. You can see that they've already started their work. So, you don't have to break your head for that. Okay. I know, dear parents, that you all are very eager to watch your children perform on stage. But I request you all to be seated and not to take any photos or videos because the school will be providing you the DVDs later on. I understand. It's already 1 hour you have come here and you need to witness the show another 1.5 hours. But your children will not be sent in the middle of the program or after their performance. You need to wait till the end to receive your children. So please kindly cooperate. ಏನೇ ಹೇಳು ನಿಧಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಜನರ ನಡೆನುಡಿ, ಅವರ ಆಚಾರ ವಿಚಾರ, ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯ, ರೂಢಿ ಈ ನಗರ ಪ್ರದೇಶದ ಜನರಿಗಿಂತ ತುಂಬ ವಿಭಿನ್ನ ಮತ್ತು ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟವಾಗಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ನಗರ ಪ್ರದೇಶದ ಜನರು ಮನೋರಂಜನೆಗಾಗಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾ, ದೂರದರ್ಶನ, ರೇಡಿಯೋಗಳ ಮೊರೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯ ಮುಗ್ಧ ಜನರು ತನ್ನ ಮನೋರಂಜನೆಗಾಗಿ ಕುಣಿತ, ಕೋಲಾಟ, ಸೋಬಾನೆ ಪದಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಜಾನಪದ ಗೀತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಹಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಾನಪದ ಗೀತೆಯ ಕುಣಿತವನ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ಕುಣಿತ ನೋಡುಗರನ್ನು ಮೈನೆವರಿಳಿಸುವಂತೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಆಕರ್ಷಿಸುವ ಈ ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ತನ್ನ ಕಂಪನ್ನು ಈ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಸರಿಸಲು ಬರುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಚೆಲ್ಲಿದರು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆಯ ಈ ಜನಪದ ಗೀತೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ 1ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಹಲವಾರು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆಗಳು ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ನರ್ತಿಸಲು ಬರಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ.
ಮಲ್ಲೆ ಹೂವಿನ ಮಂಚ ಮರುಗಾದ ಮೇಲ್ ಹೊದಿಕೆ ಮಲ್ಲೆ ಹೂವಿನ ಮಂಚ ಮರುಗಾದ ಮೇಲ್ ಹೊದಿಕೆ ತಾವರೆ ಹೂವ ತಲೆದಿಂಬು ಮಾದೇವ್ಗೆ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿದರು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆಯ ದಿಂಬು ಮಾದೇವ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಗಳಿಗೆ ಸುಖನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾದೇವ್ಗೆ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿದರು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆಯ ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಗಳಿಗೆ ಸುಖನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾದೇವ್ಗೆ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿದರು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆಯ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿದರು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆಯ ಬಾಣ ಸೂರ್ಯೇರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿದರು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆಯ ಬಾಣ ಸೂರ್ಯೇರಿ ಅಂದಾದ ಚಂದಾದ ಮಾಯ್ಕಾರ ಮಾದೇವ್ಗೆ ಅಂದಾದ ಚಂದಾದ ಮಾಯ್ಕಾರ ಮಾದೇವ್ಗೆ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿದರು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆಯ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿದರು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆಯ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿದರು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆಯ
ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. When I see this environment here, I feel like a celebration. I still remember the day of the New Year where I danced to my heart content.
Oh, is that so? Now you just wait and watch this performance. You will totally forget your New Year celebration. Now I would call upon stage our tiny toddlers from M2 and M3 with a huge round of applause.
नमस्कार। कहिए क्या सुनेंगे आप?
अरे कहिए ये कहिए कहाँ थी आप?
मैं कर रही थी किसी का इंतजार।
कौन है
वो जिससे मैं करती हूँ प्यार और जिससे करती हूँ मिन्नतें बार बार।
कैसे?
ऐसे।
यही सिलसिला मुक्ताला मुकाबला लैला ओहो लैला मुकाबला सुभान अल्लाह लैला ओहो लैला
जुरासिक पार्क में सुंदर से जोड़े जैज म्यूजिक गए मिलके
पिकासो की पेंटिंग मेरा पीछा पकड़ के टेक्सास में नाचे मिलके
काउबॉय देखे मुझे प्ले बॉय छेड़े मुझे सेक्स मेरे तन में हो मिक्स मेरे मन में हो
पॉप म्यूजिक जैसी लैला स्ट्रॉबेरी जैसी आंखें लव स्टोरी बन जाने दे किक थोड़ी चढ़ जाने दे
होठों पे सबके दिल का तराना है
मुक्ताला मुकाबला लैला ओहो लैला मुकाबला सुभान अल्लाह लैला ओहो लैला
Let's encourage them with a huge round of applause. Now I would like to introduce the names of the tiny toddlers of our school. Gaurav, Manasvi, Likita, Aryan, Mohit, Shreyas, Yashaswini, Neha, Pragati, Pratiksha, Priyanka, Sajan, Tanmayi, Vivaswan, Yashas, Aryansh. ओ मस्ती भरी रात है, ओ सोने कुड़ियों का भी साथ है, जीने का ले ले मजा, ओ डरने की क्या बात है, ना 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 रे ना। Looks like she has gone mad. If I'm not wrong, what she sang was a Punjabi song. Audience, as we all know, Punjabis use lassi more. Do you know an interesting fact about it? In some of the hotels in Punjab, lassis are prepared in washing machine. Very strange, no? But yes, it is a Sardar fact. Oh, I need to bring back my friend. I need to bring back my friend. By the time I get her back, you keep watching this Punjabi performance by our first standard boys. Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause.
Don't you think they deserve another huge round of applause?
चक दे फट्टे, बहुत बढ़िया, मजा आ गया वे.
What do you mean by that?
That means what a performance. It's in Punjabi.
Audience, let me tell you an interesting fact about this place. Our school is located in Nagdevanhalli.
Nagadevanhalli. It got the name Nagadevanhalli because maybe there were many snakes here once upon a time.
In the remembrance of the long glass snakes, let's welcome our second and third standard girls with a huge round of applause. Let's give them a huge round of applause to our second standard children. If the snakes were so beautiful, nobody had to get scared of them only. My dear audience, how is the weather outside? Can you be louder? Yes, it's hot. Can we give them some hats so that they may feel cool? Hats and cool? I don't understand. Anyways, from tomorrow, our summer vacations are going to start. Nidhi, what are your plans for this vacation? Me, I feel like going to Wonderla and enjoying myself. Wow, what an idea. Audience, at this point of time, if I serve you with a fresh cold lime soda with lot of ice cubes in it, a pinch of salt and sugar, and if you take the first sip, it would be cool, na? Nidhi, my mouth is watering. But you never told me how you'll keep yourself cool in this summer. Me? I told you na. I will wear hats and dance the summer away. Hats? You will understand. Now let's welcome on stage our second standard boys with a huge round of applause.
another huge round of applause.
Wow, it was as cool as this summer. I enjoyed it a lot.
Parents, now you have a break for 2 minutes to get refreshed. You can go out and take a left, and there you get a refreshment room. Please be back in 2 minutes, as still there's an interesting performance ahead. Nidhi, in the beginning, you said that our school is unique. You know what makes our school unique? It is because of one unique personality.
I have heard many of my friends say that they are very scared of their principal. Those principals will always be in a court and be very serious and maintain distance from children.
But we are blessed with our principal who hates fear. So we are not at all scared of him. We just love him and respect him.
9 years ago, he looked lot different than how he looks now. Now he has long hair.
Sometimes we see him in t-shirt and sometimes in kurta. Yes, a lot of things have changed in him.
But his passion for education has still remained unchanged.
To introduce the next play, I would call upon stage our beloved principal,
Chaitanya sir.
तुम हिंदू बनेगा न मुसलमान बनेगा, इंसान की औलाद है इंसान बनेगा। तुम हिंदू बनेगा न मुसलमान बनेगा, इंसान की औलाद है इंसान बनेगा। मालिक ने हर इंसान को इंसान बनाया, हमने उसे हिंदू या मुसलमान बनाया। मालिक ने हर इंसान को इंसान बनाया, हमने उसे हिंदू या मुसलमान बनाया। जो तोड़ दे हर बंद वो तूफान बनेगा, इंसान की औलाद है इंसान बनेगा। तुम हिंदू बनेगा न मुसलमान बनेगा, इंसान की औलाद है इंसान बनेगा। My dear friends, thank you. These two lines aptly explains the play coming in few minutes. Many years ago, when we conceived the idea of starting an educational institutions, a lot of friends and well-wishers advised us what to name. Maybe you can add a Shri Shri or a Saraswati with the name. Some people said, why don't you use Michael or Saint along with the name? Some people even said, why don't you use the word international school? We said there is nothing international about it. We have enough local culture to bring something from outside, something from Western. We were very, very conscious that we shall not let religion get associated with school. Since then, we have ensured that religion is kept outside the gate of school. In the way every raindrop joins a stream joins a lake and a river and runs and embraces the sea to feel that oneness, Here, children of different communities, different religion, different languages have come together under one common thread of Chitrakuta. Today, we have parents of different religions, Hindu, Muslim, Christians, talking different languages, Kannadigas, Punjabis, Teluguites, Malayalis, Konkanis, Bengalis, people of different natures, introverts, extroverts, broad-minded, conservative, all are under one thread of humanity. In fact, I have studied in my childhood in different schools, where many a times I was forced to go to church. Many a times I was told that wearing a tilak is a part of uniform. Today, after I became a little matured, I wonder, is it a religious institute or an educational institute after all? Friends, if you go around our school, scout, inspect, you shall never find a single idol. You shall never find a symbol indicating a religion. You know why? because we strongly believe that humanity should stand beyond religion. We should all be bound by humanity and not by religion. And the play coming ahead justifies that. There's a beautiful Kannada line saying, "Yenadaru sariye modalu manavanagu." So friends, I want to proudly present you the play, Three Katha Sangam.
ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಚಿತ್ರಕೂಟ 5 ಮತ್ತು 7ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅಭಿನಯಿಸುವ ನಾಟಕ ತ್ರಿ ಕಥಾ ಸಂಗಮ್. ದಯಮಾಡಿ ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಭಾಷಣೆಯೇ ತುಂಬ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಆಗಿರುವುದರಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಗೂ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಮೋಡ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಂಡು ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಚಿತ್ರಕೂಟ 5 ಮತ್ತು 7ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಅಭಿನಯಿಸುವ ನಾಟಕ ತ್ರಿ ಕಥಾ ಸಂಗಮ್.
नमस्ते, हम आप सबको एक कहानी सुनाने वाले हैं। Stop it. We present before you a story in English. ये कैसे हो सकता है? लेकिन हमारी कहानी तो हिंदी में है। No, it's going to happen in English. हिंदी, English, हिंदी, English.
ಸಾಕ್ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ರು. ಅದೇನೋ ಹಿಂದಿ ಅಂತೆ, ಅದೇನೋ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಂತೆ. ಕನ್ನಡ ತುಂಬಾ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಥೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
Stop it. How can you disturb me like this? वही तो मैं कह रही हूँ, हमारी राष्ट्रभाषा हिंदी है।
ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಡಿನ ಭಾಷೆ ಕನ್ನಡ.
International language English, हिंदी,
ಕನ್ನಡ,
English, हिंदी,
ಕನ್ನಡ,
English, हिंदी,
ಕನ್ನಡ,
English, हिंदी,
ಕನ್ನಡ.
English. Among yourself. रुको. Nilsi. This is a land of equal opportunities. Let's do with first come first serve basis. Who came first? मैं आई थी पहले. तो पहले आप ही शुरू कीजिए. What about me? I came second. Then you tell your story after her. Hey, where are you going?
ನಮ್ಮ ಕಥೆ ಮೂರನೇದು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಥೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ.
You start your story now. All the best. ये कहानी एक जानी मानी लेखक मुंशी प्रेमचंद की है। दूर एक गांव में एक छोटी सी खोले में रहता था हमीद। हमीद यतीम था। उसके अब्बा और अम्मी दोनों अल्लाह को प्यारे हो गए थे, लेकिन ये बात उसे पता नहीं था। हमीद के साथ रहती थी उसकी दादी। हमीद बेटा कहाँ हो तुम? आया दादी।
तैयार हो गए? चलो अच्छा हुआ। जाओ ईद का मैदान हो करो, अपने दोस्तों के साथ घूम करो।
लेकिन दादी, आपने कहा था आज अब्बा और अम्मी हमारे आने वाले थे।
या अल्लाह, मैं क्या कहूँ।
क्या हुआ दादी?
वो क्या है ना बेटा, तुम्हारे अब्बा और अम्मी को कुछ बहुत सारा काम है, इसलिए नहीं आ पाए। तुम ये लो 2 रुपए, जो चीज चाहे ले लेना।
शुक्रिया दादी।
या अल्लाह रहम कर।
bum 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 bum
अत्तर पाउडर डाल के कदम कदम बढ़ाए हम, ईद का मैदान चले हम। बलून, मिठाई, खिलौने, बलून, मिठाई, खिलौने, देखने और खरीदने, कदम कदम बढ़ाए हम, ईद का मैदान चले हम। अरे वो देखो कौन आ रहा है।
मिठाई ले लो। मिठाई? अरे चाचा, एक मिठाई कितने की है? 1 रुपए बेटा। मुझे दीजिए।
मुझे भी दीजिए, मुझे भी दीजिए। जी करता है मैं भी मिठाई खाऊं, पर अमित तुम मिठाई नहीं खाओगे। मिठाई खाने का क्या फायदा, पेट में गड़बड़ जो होती है मुझे नहीं चाहिए। लेकिन ये मिठाई तो बहुत अच्छी है।
हाँ, देखने में भी अच्छी है और खाने में भी अच्छी है। चाचा मुझे और एक। चलो बेटा। मम्मी दे लो मिठाई।
खिलौने खिलौने खिलौने, मेरे पास तो एक भी खिलौने नहीं है। चाची चाची, ये खिलौना कितने का है? एक खिलौना सिर्फ 5 रुपए का है। 5 रुपए? पर मेरे पास तो सिर्फ खिलौने खिलौने खिलौने। अमित, अमित तुम खिलौने नहीं लोगे? इस मिट्टियों से बने हुए खिलौनों का क्या फायदा, एक बार गिर जाएंगे तो टूट जाएंगे।
अम्मी मुझे पता है तुम ऐसा क्यों कह रहे हो, क्योंकि तुम्हारे पास पैसे नहीं है।
नहीं नहीं, दादी ने मुझे पैसे दिए हैं, लेकिन मैं फिजूल खर्च नहीं करना चाहता। अरे
वो देखो, उड़न खटोला।
हमीद का भी बहुत मन था कि वो उड़न खटोले में बैठे, लेकिन उसे ये भी लगा कि वो फिजूल खर्च है। बर्तन ले लो, बर्तन ले लो, स्टील का बर्तन ले लो। अरे बच्चे, तुम क्या देख रहे हो, ये कोई खिलौना नहीं है, जाओ। चाची चाची, ये चिमटा कितने का है? 4 रुपए। लेकिन मेरे पास तो सिर्फ 2 रुपए है। आधे में नहीं देने वाली, जाओ। लेकिन हमीद वहाँ से हिला नहीं, सारे बच्चे मौज मस्ती कर रहे थे। पर हमीद वही टिका रहा। आखिर में बर्तन वाले ने इस पर तरस खाकर उसे 2 रुपए में चिमटा दे दिया। ले लो, 2 रुपए में चिमटा ले लो। शुक्रिया काकी, अल्लाह तेरा भला करे। बर्तन ले लो, बर्तन ले लो, स्टील का बर्तन ले लो। अरे हमीद, ये क्या किया है? चिमटा। क्या तुम इससे खेल सकते हो? हाँ क्यों नहीं, कंधे पे डालो तो बंदूक बन जाएगा और हाथ में पकड़ो तो बल्ला बन जाएगा। कंधे पे डालो, बंदूक बन जाएगा, हाथ में पकड़ो बल्ला बन जाएगा। कंधे पे डालो, बंदूक बन जाएगा, हाथ में पकड़ो बल्ला बन जाएगा। अरे चुप! ये देखो मेरा पुलिस का खिलौना, कितना अच्छा है। ये पुलिस का खिलौना तो मिट्टी से बना है, अगर मैं अपने चिमटे से एक दूं तो मिट्टी में मिल जाएगा। ऐसे ही हमीद अपने सारे दोस्तों को चुप करवाता गया, लेकिन मुझे ये बात समझ नहीं आ रही कि हमीद ने चिमटा ही क्यों खरीदा।
खेलने के लिए?
चलिए उसकी जुबानी में ही सुनते हैं। अरे वो देखो, हमीद की दादी उसको ढूंढते हुए यहीं पर आ गई।
हमीद बेटा, इतनी देर कहाँ लगा दी? मैं इतनी परेशान हो गई थी, हर वक्त सताता रहता है।
दादी आंखें बंद करो।
अभी कौन सा नया तमाशा है?
अब करती हो कि नहीं?
चलो ठीक है।
देखो मैं आपके लिए क्या लाया।
ये क्या है?
दादी, जब आप रोटियां बनाते हो आपके हाथ जल जाते हैं, इसलिए मैंने एक चिमटा खरीदा। अब आप जब रोटियां बनाओगे आपके हाथ नहीं जलेंगे।
चलो, तुमने सुबह से कुछ नहीं खाया, अभी मैं तुम्हें इसी चिमटे से रोटियां बना के खिलाती हूँ। चलो।
उस दिन ईद के मैदान में हमीद को खिलौना, मिठाई कुछ नहीं मिला, लेकिन उन सबसे भी अच्छा एक चीज मिला, दादी की दुआ। एक्सीलेंट, शुक्रिया। अब आपकी बारी। Thank you for a wonderful story. Now we present to you a story
a chilly evening.
But the festivity was in the air.
As it was a day before Christmas.
Through the snow, in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and swing a sleigh song tonight.
Humbug! This is Mr. Scrooge. Such a miserly man. Even during cold winter evening, he made his employee to work in his counting house.
Oh, his office must be very cozy with a warm fireplace.
Fireplace! He expected his employee Bob Cratchit to be warm with a candle.
But the candle did not give enough light, nor it kept Bob Cratchit warm.
Why was Mr. Scrooge so stingy?
Nobody
knows that.
Even during Christmas time, he kept to himself and was alone.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! This world is full of fools.
What is the matter, sir? You're richer of where is some morals?
Mr. Bob, could you please mind your own business?
Yes, sir.
What is Christmas time to me? Paying money without bills, finding yourself 1 year older, but not an hour richer.
Merry Christmas!
Every idiot who knows that Merry Christmas on his lips should be spoiled with his own pudding.
But uncle, this is Fred, your nephew.
Fred? Oh, what's the matter?
Merry Christmas, uncle.
Bah! Humbug!
But why? Christmas is a good time, a kind, forgiving, charitable and a pleasant time. Men and women open their shut-up hearts freely.
So,
Please come to our humble home and dine with us.
sorry dear, keep Christmas in your own way. I'll keep in mind.
But uncle,
You may leave. I'm not changing my decision.
Mr. Scrooge is worried about the expenses he has to bear if he goes to dine with his nephew's family.
Mr. Bob, did you say something?
No, sir. Some gentlemen have come to meet you.
Show them in and get down with your business.
Yes, sir. Sir, could you be kind enough to make provisions for the poor and destitute? Thousands are in the need of common comfort, sir.
There are a lot of prisons. Let them go there.
But, sir,
Should I call the police?
Merry Christmas, sir.
Bah, humbug. Christmas is nothing but the time to pinch the pocket of an honest man.
Hello, sir. I'm a singer. Hello, sir. I'm a singer. I will sing a song for you. Merry Christmas and God bless you. Merry Christmas and God bless you.
Mr. Bob, I think we should close now.
Sir, tomorrow is Christmas.
So,
Can I have a day's leave?
a day's leave?
At least a half day.
Then I can only pay you for half. I cannot pay you for your leave.
But, sir,
Thus was Mr. Scrooge, miserly, stingy, unkind, blunt and stolid.
But that night, something weird happened when Mr. Scrooge was about to retire for the night and he heard a weird sound. Who are you?
I am the spirit of Christmas of past. I have come here to warn you that you still have a chance of escaping the plight.
Plight? What plight?
You would be weighed down with enormous chains which you cannot escape.
Whoever you are, get lost from here.
Hold my hand, you will see the past.
My past?
You will see.
Oh, that's me and my sister. Dear brother, I'm counting my days, and once I'm gone, please take care of little Fred, or else he'll be orphaned.
don't worry, little sister. I will take good care of him.
But is that what you did today? See that.
O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleigh song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle.
This was a party arranged by a boss, isn't it?
That's me, my colleagues, and my boss, Flesevic. So kind of you, Mr. Flesevic, to have invited us. Oh, it's my pleasure, boys. From tomorrow, take 3 days leave. Eat, drink, and be merry. Merry Christmas!
Our boss is so kind, isn't he? Yes. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Bah humbug, why don't you tell it now?
When Mr. Scrooge kept on thinking, the spirit vanished as it came.
But before the spirit vanished, it had warned Mr. Scrooge that another spirit would come at a specific hour.
Ding dong, a quarter past. Ding dong, a half past. Ding dong, the hour itself.
Who are you? I am the spirit of Christmas of the present. I'll show you how Christmas is celebrated in the present. Come. Hey, that's my employee Bob Cratchit and their family.
Sorry, I could not make anything special for this Christmas. Only thing left is bread. I am sorry. I could not provide you with anything else. Mr. Scrooge does not pay me well.
No hard feelings on Christmas. It is because of Mr. Scrooge we are able to have this humble dinner.
May God bless him.
And you, Mr. Scrooge, cut his pay?
May God bless us, everyone.
Who is that little boy? He's Bob Cratchit's son, Tiny Tim, who is unwell. Unwell? What do you mean? If the present won't change, he'll die very soon. No, please, please save Tiny Tim. Please, please, please.
The spirit of Christmas yet to come.
Then, can you please tell me what will happen to Tiny Tim?
Come, I will show you the Christmas yet to come.
Why are we here in the graveyard? You will know for yourself.
Oh, gentlemen, do you know when the businessmen were called to the funeral, they told that they would only come if lunch was provided. Nobody came to his funeral except his nephew and his colleague. Do you know, before they just arrived, I grabbed his wallet. How? When he was going on the road, he suddenly clutched his chest and fell down. All the passers-by went near him. But on seeing his face, everyone went away. May his soul rest in peace.
Is that when you took his wallet?
Yes. What is the need of money to a dead man?
What is the use of a watch to a dead man? Time has stopped for him.
What is the use of money to a dead man?
Whom are they talking about? Look for yourself. Oh, I'm standing on a grave. It's my name. Is this my fate?
You can change this, Scrooge. What is the use of money to a dead man? You can change this, Scrooge.
You can change this.
You can change this. You can change this. And from that day, Scrooge was a changed man.
He went to have dinner with his nephew's family.
He increased the pay of his employee Bob Cratchit.
And to everyone he said,
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
ಸಕ್ಕತ್ತಾಗಿತ್ತು! ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ತಿ. All the best. ಅವತ್ತು ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ ಸಡಗರ ಎಲ್ಲೆಡೆ ಮನೆ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು.
ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ಪಟಾಕಿ ದೀಪಗಳ ಸಾಲು. ಒಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದ್ರು.
ಏನೋ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಕತೆ ಶುರು ಆಗ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಕತೆ ಮುಗ್ದೋಗ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದು ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟ್.
ಒಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕತೆ ಮೊದಲಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದ್ರು.
ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಲೀಲಾವಳಿ. ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಲೀಲಾವಳಿ.
ಅದೇ ಇದೇನಿದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚಿದೆ, ಈ ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ದೀಪನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ರೀ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಏನ್ರಿ ಇದ್ರ ಅರ್ಥ?
ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ದೀಪ ಇಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಾರ್ಥ. ಇದು ಸ್ವಾರ್ಥ ಹೆಂಗಾಗತ್ತೆ? ಈ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಜಿಪುಣಾಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಉಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಜಿಪುಣತನ ಆಯ್ತು, ಸ್ವಾರ್ಥ ಹೆಂಗಾಯ್ತು? ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಮನೆ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಹೆಂಗಾನ ಖರ್ಚಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮನೆ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಉಳಿಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸ್ವಾರ್ಥ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು?
ನಾನು ಆಗಾಗ್ಲಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇದೀನಿ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚಿಲ್ಲ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚಿಲ್ಲ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ. ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನ್ರಿ ಇದೆ ರೂಲ್ಸ್?
ಆದ್ರೂ ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ದಿವಸ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇವ್ರು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಅನುಮಾನ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಭೂತ್ ಬಂಗ್ಲೆನಾ ಅಂತ. ಭೂತ ಅಂತ ಬಂಗ್ಲೆ ಅಂತೆ. ನಾನ್ಸೆನ್ಸ್. ನೋಡಕ್ ಇದು ಬಂಗ್ಲೆ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಗುಡಿಸ್ಲು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಬಾಗ್ಲು ತಟ್ಟು ನೋಡೋಣ. ನಾನು ಬಾಗ್ಲು ತಟ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಸರಿ, ಬಾಗ್ಲು ತೆಗೆದೇ ಇದೆ.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಕೂಗಾಕು ನೋಡೋಣ.
ಸರ್ ಸರ್, ಯಾರು? ಒಳಗಿಂದ ಶಬ್ದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಏನ್ರಪ್ಪ ಯಾಕೆ ನಿಂತೀರಾ?
ಯಾರು ನೀವು?
ನಾನೊಬ್ಬ ಬಡ ಮೇಷ್ಟ್ರು, ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಪಾಠ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ನಾವೇನೋ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದಿಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಸ್ಟ್ರೆ, ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಪಾಠ ಹೇಳೋರು ನೀವೇ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ?
ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದೆ?
ಇವತ್ತು ದೀಪಾವಳಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಕಟ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ರಿ.
ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೋದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯ ಅಂತನಾ
ಅಥವಾ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಿಗ್ಲೆ ಅಂತನಾ? ಬನ್ನಿ ನನ್ ಜೊತೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿಗ್ರಿ ಮೇಸ್ಟ್ರೆ?
ಬನ್ನಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
ಅವನ ಹೆಸರು ರಾಮ.
ರೀ ಮೇಸ್ಟ್ರೆ, ಅವನ್ ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ತರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಅದಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕಾರಣ ಇದೆ. ಅವನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನಂತ ನೋಡಿ.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ರೀ ಮೇಸ್ಟ್ರೆ, ನಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಸೀದಾ ಮಸೀದಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೊರಟದ್ರಲ್ಲ.
ಏನೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ.
ಮಸೀದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾರಾಯ?
ಅವನ ಹೆಸರು ರಾಮ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅಗೋ ಬಂದ.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ, ನಿಮ್ ಹೆಸರು ರಾಮ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದು.
ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮಸೀದಿಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಇತ್ತು?
ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ.
ಹಾ, ನೀವು ಮಸೀದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಾ?
ಯಾಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಸೀದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದಾ? ನೀವು ಹಿಂದೂ ಆಗಿ ಮಸೀದಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ? ದೇವರು ಒಬ್ಬನೇ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಹೆಸರು. ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು ಈ ಜಾತಿಗೆ ಹೆಸರು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮತದ ಹೊಟ್ಟ ತೂರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ತತ್ವದೆಲ್ಲೇ ಮೀರಿ, ಓ ನನ್ನ ಚೇತನ ಆಗು ನೀ ನಿಕೇತನ. ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅಂದರೆ ಜಾತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ದೇವರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಸರಿ, ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ಇದೆ, ನಾನು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ನಡೆದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಳಿಯುವ ಕಟ್ಟ ಕಡೆಯ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಹೀಗೂ
ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ? ಬನ್ನಿ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆಲ್ಲಿಗ್ರಿ ಮೇಸ್ಟ್ರೆ?
ಬನ್ನಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಇವ್ರು ಯಾರು? ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ವಾಚ್ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾನೆ.
ತಡಿ ತಡಿ, ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ವಾಚ್ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ?
ದುಡ್ಡು. ನಾನು ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ತಿಂಗಳು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ವಾಚ್ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಾ? ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿಯುವ ಕಟ್ಟ ಕಡೆಯ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇವರೊಂದು ಅನಾಥಾಶ್ರಮ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಅಂದ್ರಿ,
ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅನಾಥಾಶ್ರಮ ನಡೆಸಬಹುದಾ ಏನು?
ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ಮುಂದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ತಿಂಗಳು ಡೊನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ವಾಚ್ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೊನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಾ?
ಹೆಚ್ಚೇನೂ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಕೈಲಾದಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಶಾಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಒಂದು ಪಾಠ.
ಸರಿ, ನಾನು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
ನಾನು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಗೇಟ್ ಇಂದ ಆಚೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದಲ್ಲ, ಬನ್ನಿ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ. ಅಲ್ಲ ರೀ ಮೇಸ್ಟ್ರೆ, ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಕ್ಕೆ ಊರೆಲ್ಲ ಸುತ್ತಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರಲ್ರಿ. ಇವತ್ತಿ 3 ಜನನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೇನ್ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು?
ಈ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲೂ ಇಂಥ ಮನುಷ್ಯರೆಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತಾರ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು.
ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ವಾ ರೀ ಮೇಸ್ಟ್ರೆ, ಇದ್ಯಾಕೋ ಅದೇ ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ. ದೀಪಕ್ಕೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನ್ರಿ ಸಂಬಂಧ? ಇವತ್ ನೀವು 3 ಜನ ನೋಡುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಅವ್ರು ನನ್ನ ಶಿಷ್ಯಂದಿರು. ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡುವ ಕೆಲಸದಿಂದ ಇಡೀ ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಳಕು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೀಗಿರುವಾಗ ನಾನ್ ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಬೇಕು? ಅವರೇ ನನ್ನ ಪಾಲಿನ ದೀಪಗಳು. ಅಸತೋಮ ಸದ್ಗಮಯ, ಅಸತೋಮ ಸದ್ಗಮಯ, ತಮಸೋಮ ಜ್ಯೋತಿರ್ಗಮಯ, ತಮಸೋಮ ಜ್ಯೋತಿರ್ಗಮಯ, ಮೃತ್ಯೋಮ ಅಮೃತಂಗಮಯ, ಮೃತ್ಯೋಮ ಅಮೃತಂಗಮಯ. ಜಾತಿ ಯಾವುದಾದರೇನು? ಜಾತಿ ಯಾವುದಾದರೇನು?
Whatever the language,
Whatever the language,
दूसरों की परवाह हर किसी को प्यार,
दूसरों की परवाह हर किसी को प्यार. ಅದು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಸರ್.
A famous poet once said,
They truly deserve another huge round of applause. What a beautiful drama it was. Audience, did you all enjoy it? Can you be louder? I request all the teachers to come on stage who are responsible for today's event. All the dances were choreographed by Dinesh sir. Please come on stage, sir. The drama was written and directed by Kashyap sir. And he was technically assisted by Dr. Brinda. Please come on stage, sir and ma'am. The teacher's dance was choreographed by Sushma ma'am.
The summer is very hot. It has taken its toll on some children. Some are sick, but still they came on to this dais and performed. Give them a big round of applause for all the children who made this day possible. And it's a privilege to be here in Chitrakuta, because it is a kind of a dream for a theatre practitioner. No theatre practitioner gets all these lights and mics and such a nice auditorium to work with. And the children are very lucky to be here. And today, the MCs, I think they are doing a very fine job. They'll probably put us all out of business. And I would like to thank all the parents first, and then the faculty of Chitrakuta for being the backbone of the performance today. But one strength, ಒಂದು ಚೇತನ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ, ಒಂದು ಚೇತನ ಅಥವಾ ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು Mr. Chaitanya, the principal of this school, and not to forget Joyita ma'am, HM, and all the faculty who have been very cooperative to me, and all the parents, all the children. Once again, thank you. It's a privilege to be here. Thank you very much.
Good evening, everyone. ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಕೋರಿಯೋಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, ಆದರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಸಪೋರ್ಟು, ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಕೋಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಸೇರುತ್ತೆ, ನನಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಏನಂದರೆ ಈ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಿಲ್ಲೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕಲಿತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ. ಆದರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನನಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಸಾರು, ಜೋಯಿತಾ ಮೇಡಮು, ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಿತ್ರಕೂಟ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮರೆಯೋಲ್ಲ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Sushma ma'am, please come on stage. Needless to say, I thank all our teachers for their effort. I thank our principal and our HM for their encouragement. I thank all the IMRs and drivers and our beloved Maulia ma'am for training us. We also thank Ashok sir and Devraj sir for their support. Last but not the least, I thank all the parents for joining us on this special occasion.